Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I am going to show you that how to fix Instagram failed to start several times. So I will show you the 3 methods to solve this error. I hope one of them will work for you. So let's move to our first method. You just need to tap and hold on your Instagram app and then click on the app info. You can also search it directly from your phone settings. Click on the apps and then find there your Instagram and you will be able to find app info of your Instagram. Here just click on the four stop and then click OK, and then click on the storage and the cache and then click on the clear cache first and then click on the clear storage and then OK. After this you have to just uninstall your Instagram and then open your Play Store or App Store and then search there for your Instagram and then install it again with a stable internet connection. So after reinstallation you have to just again log into your Instagram account and your problem will be fixed. Moving to our second method, you have to just open your settings of your phone and then find here an option of the system. So basically we just need to update our system or device. For this click on the system update and check that if any update is available for your system or device, then you have to just update it. After updating your system you have to just again open your Play Store or App Store and then search here for your Instagram and check that if any update is available, then you have to just update your Instagram. After updating you have to just again open your Instagram and this time your problem will be fixed. Now moving to our last and the final solution, you just need to restart your system or device and doing so your problem will be fixed. If still you are facing the same issue, then you just need to wait for 24 to 48 hours and your problem will be fixed by itself. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. Give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe my channel Let Me Guide. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.